And stay tuned, there's more Hot in Cleveland coming up.
Play with him. It's okay, get him, Peaches, get him. Look at that. Did you see? Oh. What you doing? Jerry. Look, it's okay. Peaches, good girl.
Good girl, Peaches.
Good girl.
Good girl, Peaches.
Good Peaches. Get him. Oh, get him.
Check that out.
No. It's okay.
Thermal control only from State Street.
You know they want.
I know. It's okay. Oh. Good girl, Peaches. Yeah. Good girl. It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. Good girl, Peaches. Yes. Good girl, Peaches. Junior Brand. Don't go over there. You'll fall off. Oh, oh, here he goes. Good girl. Peaches, he wants to play. See how her feet are? That's how she is when she plays.
I can tell. She doesn't know what to think.